Good evening, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Ask, they can show you.
Yes, can you hear me? Show your thumbs up with great smile. Okay, and is my file visible? Acha, chalo. Today, we are going to learn. Chalo, you guess first. We are going to learn someone whose body is of men, but head is of animal. Yes. Second, this person loves laddus a lot. Modaks, laddus. And third, having a yes, absolutely right. We are going to learn Lord Ganesha. Okay? Because on 22nd, we have Ganesh Chaturthi. And the basic motto behind teaching this drawing is, during Ganesh Chaturthi, all over in colonies, online, offline, Ganesha special competitions go on. So you will be prepared for that. Okay? If you want to participate in that, you will be prepared. If you want to participate in Lord Ganesha, Ganesh Chaturthi special festivals. Yes, all colony, on colony level, on national level, and on state level, this kind of competitions always happen. So I decided to, as my students should be prepared for every competition, I decided that I will be teaching them Lord Ganesha today. So without delay, and at the same time, you're not only learning Lord Ganesha's drawing, at the same time, you're learning a festival, Ganesh Chaturthi. Suppose in competition or in your drawing, a topic is coming, make a festival. So you can try Ganesh Chaturthi also. At the place of Holi, Diwali, normally students just go for Holi, Diwali. But you can try something different. So Ganesh Chaturthi, this drawing you can use as Ganesh Chaturthi festival also. Okay? So let's get started. Yes. First, yes, I'm going to use my file vertically. Okay, this is vertically. And here, this is half. Okay, this is half. I will not start my drawing with half. Here. Okay. Take 2 points. And see, this point is, I will be making it little more dark. Almost the same distance I left here and here. This is the proportion. Okay, this is not in center. Your drawing should start from perfect place. Okay? Yes. Take 2 points. Yes. And please keep in mind all the steps, because it's a drawing of festival as well as. Okay, now these 2 points I will be joining with the help of C. Flat C. It's not D. flat. Draw a flat C. Okay? Start it from perfect place. Okay? Now, here. I will be making, this is a kind of one, but slightly curved. It's one actually, but curved. And here also it's one, but curved. And as I'm saying one, it means it's in standing position. And slowly come close. Okay, from center, here, my trunk will start. It's looking like U actually. You can do this way also. You can draw a big U, then erase a small part. Yeah, I will try make it little more dark. Sanmukh? Yes, I can understand many of you are using mobile and these lines are not sufficient. I will see whether I have some darker one. Okay? Yes. Now show hairline. From here, slanting line. Take a point here and show some slanting line. Hairline from the corner. Okay, okay. Okay, Shifat, I will go little slow. Okay, I will make lines dark and make shape of face with lots of efforts. Yeah, sure. Zoom in करना है थोड़ा सा. थोड़ा सा इसको zoom in कर दे. Okay? Why it's not looking bright?
I don't know. I think it is hand. Why
Okay.
hand?
Okay. Now what I will be doing? I will be making line smaller. Now this is the line. I will be making smaller than this. And join. Okay. The same shape I just made above, but this time it is smaller and I just connect. Once again, smaller than this. Connect. Help of curved lines. Okay, I'm repeating. This flat C which I used for making head of Lord Ganesha, I took one more curve, smaller than this. I took one more curve, smaller than this. One more, smaller than this. Okay, gradually the size of, so it's decreasing. Okay, I will make it little more dark. This is, okay. The shape is gradually dark. Gradually, now on top, I will be writing a C. These are two last points, a C. Again, it's a flat C. Okay, finish this shape. I'll wait. Finish this. I will step on when you all will finish this. I'm repeating, I just took a C. Then I took 2 points and it's a shape of big big U. If I raise a small part, I will get this distance. Then this upper C, actually दिख नहीं रहा कि ये दिख रहा है. Okay, इसमें नहीं आ रहा. Okay, now these 2 points. These 2 points which I have, I will be taking a center point of it, but not here, above. Center point, not here, above. Join, so shape of V. Okay, I'm using letter V for completing its shape. Effort, no need to hurry. With lots of efforts, make this. Okay? And you can try, after learning this, you can try it on CDs. Small CDs, normally we have, no? You can try them small on CDs and paint it with acrylic colors. Don't use watercolors for this. And you can gift it to someone. Entrance, you can put it on door. Anywhere you can put it. So you can make them on CD. The silver surface and over that with red color or a bright color, it looks great. Okay, so you can try that ways also. Now, show a 1. And small. A big one and a small one. We will leave our trunk incomplete. Okay, we will be doing it afterwards. We will not do it now. Okay, okay. Finish this. I'm repeating what I did. I took 2 points. And I just joined it with flat C. Then what I did, I just came down straight and give a curve. Same here, came down straight, then give a curve. If you want to simplify, you can do one thing. You can write a big U and then erase a small part. And here I just used 1, 2 times. A big one and a small. See, it's on CD. If you want to paint, don't use watercolors because CD is having a plastic coating. So your watercolor won't look, and you won't be able to apply even. It will come out again and again. And as these colors, acrylic colors, are made for, these colors you can use to repaint your old shoes. You can even paint your shoes. This is wash-proof color. Okay. So when you want to put on OHP sheets or on a wooden plank or on fabric, on shoes, on purses, old purses can be painted. So we use acrylic colors. And I can understand during lockdown, it's very difficult. Otherwise, I would have done one workshop on acrylic colors on fabric, because sometimes special boys and girls, they keep planning for making Mother's Day very special. So this painting on fabric will help them painting a complete sari or dupatta or dress material. So that hand painted dupatta and sari, it will make your mama really happy. So I wanted to conduct this kind of workshop. Do you want to do this kind of? Do you want to take this kind of session? Show thumbs up, those who want to take on fabric. But yeah, I'm delaying because during lockdown, these colors are not available. For many of you, because of strict lockdown, shops are not opening. Even otherwise, I would have started this drawing, I would have done on canvas. I planned it for canvas. But many parents, they complain that during lockdown, they are finding it very difficult for managing the colors. Whatever they have, they are doing with that only. So because of this only, we are delaying all these activities. Okay, but don't worry, when the lockdown will be open, I will teach you fabric painting. We all will be doing. Okay. Okay, now done. Show thumbs up if done this much. Yes. Yes. Okay, now here. From here, these 2 points, I will be making big ears. A shape of C. First, draw a line. And from here, draw one line. I'm making it dark so that you can see, but you make it very light. Equal distance. Classes going on? Yes, classes. Okay? Line. And this point to this point, I will be writing a C. Draw a C. Same here. C for cat. Okay? And if you find time, students, I will provide you all with recording. Go through recording. Okay? So what happened? All the steps get fixed in your mind. Revision is very important. Otherwise, what will happen? You will learn next and forget what you learned last time. So it's of no use. I want my students to grow in the way that they can opt it as their career option. Yes, after 12th, you can go in the field related to creativity. Okay, this is C. And I will erase this line now. Yes. इसका curtain खोल दे. See, this is C. Now you will be writing C once more. Small c. So it's looking like S. Okay, one more C. And give it this kind of curved shape. Okay? And here you will be making a C. See, it's flat. From here also, equal size. Don't forget to take last point every time. It will make your analysis, comparison easy. That yeah, these both are of equal size. Okay? And just join with curved line. Join with curved lines. Here also. If you want to join it with straight line, you can go for that also. पूरा दिख रहा है ना? Okay, I'm repeating. I just draw C first. I took help of line. Otherwise, what would have happened? This basic shape would have gone up or down. So just to maintain that, I just took line as guideline. Always take a guideline. It will always help you. Okay. This is C. Then give a turn. It's looking like S. I took a point here. One more C. And then I join it. Okay. Same ways. And maintain symmetry. And 3 lines. Show 3 lines here in both the ears. Okay? Now, इसलिए कनेक्ट हो जाएगा क्या? Connected.
It is connected here.
करना है, check कर.
नेट बंद हो गया. आप कर लो आगे कंटिन्यू.
Okay. Now, I will be taking 2 points here. 1 point near the line of trunk. Okay, take 2 points near line of trunk. And you will be leaving some space and take one more line. Leave some space, take one more line. Okay? Always decide your points from where you want to start your lines. Okay? Take 2 points. This side, keeping same space. Leaving. Okay, now I will be using letter J. J for jug. J. Okay? J for jug. And you all must be knowing, you must have observed in images that one tusk of Lord Ganesha is broken. Okay, from the second point, just join. And according to many literature, this tusk was broken during Lord Ganesha when he was fighting with a devil. It was broken. And according to few literature, for writing Vedas, Lord Ganesha used his own tusk for like pen for writing Vedas. Okay, so these are 2 things which are famous about this broken tusk. 1. From both the points, I will be writing 1 as I want to show broken tusk and join. It's broken tusk. Yes. Now, here, do this much first. I just want to check. Will you please show? Show your work. Yeah. Very good. Shabash. It's perfectly done. Now take center point. I want to show eyes. Take center point. Here. It's not above. Here. And this hairline, where the hairline finish now, take 2 points there. And draw a very light, use very light pencil. I'm using dark so that you can see the lines. but you will be using it light. V. Okay, use it very light because this is just guideline. Okay. One line is going this way, one line, it is a V. I've taken center and it's a flat open V. Take your own time. No need to hurry. With lots of stability, planning, focus, make this. Okay, so that the use of eraser can be minimized. Now, keeping this point in center, I will be taking 1 point this side. 1 point, the same distance. I will be taking 1 point this side. Okay. And till here, I want to show my eyes till here. So just decide that this much distance here, I'm going to leave. This much distance here, I'm going to leave. Okay. This will be my eyes. As I want to show my eyes in slanting position, I just make this guideline. So from here, equal distance, take a point. From here, equal distance, take a point. Equal to this. Middle line, middle V, erase. Erase middle V. And now with lots of care, okay? No need, like a leaf. If you want, you can take a point. Like leaf, you will be making from this point to this point. C. Draw C. This side, you can take a point. Take a point in center. It will help you managing the symmetry. C. C for cat, C for cat. And this backside line also we will be erasing. Backside line which we have now, erase that also. Okay. C for cat, C for cat. That complete V which we took earlier is erased. And now once again, take a point and draw once again. It's looking like a leaf. Isn't it? It's looking like a leaf. And now erase the center line. Eyes are done. Just make one more very light line to show eyelid. This is not eyebrow, huh? This is eyelid. This kind of line, very light. And yes, do this much first. And eyebrows, same ways. It will also go this ways. Okay, eyebrows. Show eyebrows. Yes, now let's complete eyes. See, I will not write you. Actually, I want to write you, but you will look like this. I don't want this kind of shape. I want round you. Round, it means it will start from here and end here. It's round. Okay, I will be making my lines.
Ma'am, can we decorate it with stones?
Yes, you can decorate it with stones and all. And see, on the very special day of Ganesh Chaturthi, your drawing will get ready like Janmashtami na. I'm so happy that I got this. Yes, eyes. See, this is a kind of circle. And I'm making a one more circle inside. Ears. See, for ears, what I did, I took a line first. Okay, I draw a line first. And afterwards, I write C. Then again a C. I took a point here, then draw a C and then connect. This is the way of making ears. It's looking like S. But I just break it down and just draw C 2 times. Okay? Eyes. 2 lines. Sleeping lines.
Ma'am, we will color it next day.
Yes, we will be able to color it next time. But with the drawing, those who want to decorate Lord Ganesha with stones, keep stones with you next time. After coloring, okay? Pasting work we do after coloring. See, 2 sleeping lines. Then you should be very perfect, okay? And a circle.
Ma'am, we have to draw
What?
the whole body of Ganesha.
Yes, we will be completing whole body, not only face. Okay?
Ma'am, we are going to outline.
Yes, we will be doing oil pastels in this, so you will be giving outlines. Because the intensity of oil pastel is equivalent to oil colors. And I want it very brightly colored. So because of this, we will be doing it with. But keep your watercolors also ready, okay? I will decide, but keep your all colors ready. Okay, now you all must have observed Lord Ganesha is having a sign of Trishul over trunk. If not, you observe now onwards. Lord Ganesha is having a sign of Trishul. Let's make in center.
Can we make a card?
You can make anything using this drawing. Okay. Yes, this is a U. I just draw 2 lines, 11, and then I just connect it. And then O on both the sides. You will be learning complete drawing with body. Okay. I will be teaching body also.
Will we make anything on the sides as no space is left?
That we will see afterwards. Okay. As Lord Ganesha is quite big, we will see it afterwards. What we are going to make on sides. Take the center. Draw 1 line. Sign of Trishul. And circle. This is sign of Trishul on trunk of Lord Ganesha's, on Lord Ganesha's trunk every time. Okay? Yeah. Finish it. Now body. You must be thinking making body of Lord Ganesha, the sitting posture. It's very difficult. But you will see that it is very simple. Yes, it's very simple. Okay? Yes. Take point here below ear and show 2 slanting lines. Gently sloping. 2 lines.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Trunk to I have not done also. Trunk to we will be doing now. This is U, then O, both the sides, and a big 1 and 2 circles. 2 slanting lines and come straight. It is 1, but I will show it curved. This ways. Show this ways. Curved, coming down.
Acrylic color use करोगे?
No, I will not.
Then what color?
We will be doing oil pastel in this. We'll see you keep your colors, watercolors ready. Acrylics are not manageable for everyone due to lockdown. So I will not use acrylic color. Keep your watercolors ready. But acrylic painting we will be learning for very sure when the lockdown will be opened. Okay? Yes. Now see, I just took slanting line and it's coming down. But while coming down, I gave a curve. And this is my last point. Take last point. This is last point. Okay? Yeah. Make it very beautifully and properly.
Please repeat body.
Yes, I took 2 points just near ear, where this bottom line of ear, both the sides. Okay? And from these 2 points, I made slanting lines, gently sloping. ऐसे नहीं बना देना है, यूं, slightly slanting. And then I'm coming down. It's coming almost straight. And take the last point. Now you will leave some space. You will leave some space. Here, leave some space. Here also. Equal. Okay. I took 1 point here. I just leave some space. Here also I leave some space and took point. पूरा दिखाइए. Yes, now these 2 points, 1 and 2. And this is center, but I will not take point in center, slightly below. Okay, and if you want to see your center properly, just make a line with bindi and you will find the center. This is your exact center. Okay, you can just align it with bindi. Lord Ganesha's bindi. So these 2 points I have, I will be taking a point here, not here center. Okay. And here, these 2 points I have now, I will be writing C. And don't write small c, I'm going to make legs. So this much big. C of equal size. Okay, just draw C and leave. Yes, now see the C. Write C first. Yes. Okay, write C. Draw C on both the sides. What I did for making body, what I did? I took point, took slanting line, then I just came down. I leave some space. I leave some space. Took a point, and on those points I just draw C. Slightly big C. And these 2 points which I took just below this, in center of these 2 points, I took a point, but not in center here, slightly below, in center. And just to find out my center, I made a line from Bindi. Okay? Yes. Now here. From here, I will be going slanting and join with C. And same ways here. I will be going slanting and join with C. So it's looking like a V. Okay? Connect your C with this. Connect your C. Yeah. I'm repeating. I took center point. After making this upper shape, I took space, took a point here on both the sides. And on those points, I just took a center point, not in here, slightly below. And on points, I draw C. Afterwards, with this center point, I just draw a slanting line and connect it to C. Yes, now here, this point I have now, I will be making a V, reverse V. Last point, last point. Draw a V on this point from where this flat V is going. It's not very flat, but it's quite narrow.
Ma'am, please say us to
Now, say today actually we are making drawing now. So on each and every step you need to be very much focused because I'm continuously guiding you, taking steps. So the rhythm of story will break down. So I'm going to share story definitely when we will be doing coloring. Because in coloring I instruct, okay, this color you merge. And when you keep merging, I can say the story. I really want to tell you the story of our Indian culture. We are so much beautiful, simple, spiritual, and more. Each story is having moral value in that. And there are so many famous stories of Lord Ganesha. I will definitely tell you. I will love to share those stories with you. Okay? Yes. Now, after doing this bottom line I have now, this ways, see a U. It seems it's a big U which is coming here. This way is here also. Big U. From here it will open and then it is coming narrow. Okay? It is opening and then coming narrow. Same I'm going to do here. It's opening and then coming narrow. Okay? This is the lap of Lord Ganesha. Okay? Yes. Finish it if you feel that from one side it's coming very big. Big U. This side. This side. This point, take a point below and draw one more V. One more V. Now I want to show I will be showing feet of Lord Ganesha. This point I have, just take one more point and draw one more V. Okay. Now, here, I will be showing, like see this bottle. When you look at it from above, it is looking like ring, round. And complete bottle is not visible, only this. My hand, if I will show my hand like this, you will be able to see only the tips. Same ways, from front, only the tips of fingers. This is toe, a big circle, and 4 small circles. Okay, join it. Join it. This is feet off. Same here. A big circle to show toe. Small 4 fingers. And join. Sitting. Lord Ganesha is sitting, keeping the legs like this. You can just make the line slightly narrow to give it exact shape of that. Okay, sitting like this, folding hands, folding legs like this. And the toe from front, the tips are visible. Okay, yeah. Now let's complete this side hand. On this, show 2 lines, 2 sleeping lines. It's looking like 11. Okay. It is the line which is coming in it. Same here. Two rectangles and erase the line which is coming in rectangle. And this center line, it was guideline, erase this. We don't want this line now. We keep making lines for guidance and afterwards keep erasing. Guidelines always help you making your drawing proper, proportion wise, and these 2 rectangles. And now a big laddu. Here I want to show a big laddu. Big laddu in hand.
Ma'am, can you finish trunk?
That's why I'm making this laddu. I'm going to finish trunk because I want to show my trunk over laddu. Ganesha is giving blessings with one hand. At the same time, he's eating laddu also. So I will show laddu, trunk on laddu. That's why I did not complete trunk. Show this circle. And Ganesha is holding, suppose this is a bowl, this is laddu and holding like this. Fingers. I want to show fingers this way, holding like this. So I will be showing fingers. Show you, fingers. Okay. You can show nails if you want, and if you don't want, you can just drop it. We will do skin color in this while doing. If you want, you can make nails. Stretched fingers holding big laddu. Okay. Yes. Now, finish this. Okay. Now these 2 points, this one, big one and then small one. From here, I will be coming down and make it on my laddu. Okay, this is the last line of my trunk. Take a point. Okay, it's looking like S. S. and let it touch laddu. Take one point here. Here my first line of trunk is getting finished. You also make till here. It's not covering up. Can you see my video? Please show thumbs up. Video है. अच्छा. Okay. Yes. I'm repeating. I made laddu, and this big one which I made earlier now, I just make a curve and touch it to laddu, and this is the last point of this prasad which is in hand here. Okay. Now you will be taking one point near this. Take one point near this, the last point.
Ma'am, please explain legs and laddu.
Legs, I'm repeating again. I just took center point. Okay. And see, I made earlier, I just made a line and joined with this. And here I just draw V. Okay. And after making V, these two lines points which I get, I just draw a big U around this. A big U around this. And while making this U, the C which I made earlier, it helped me out. Okay. And see now the second point which I'm going to finish here. I will be completing. Finish. Finish here. Trunk over. And these 2 points join with V. Okay, erase this line. Okay. Join these 2 points with V, and the line of body which is coming in your trunk, erase. Okay. And don't forget to show lines. Yes. Actually, can you check the work? Check the work. Okay. Yes. Now with this hand, Lord Ganesha is showering blessings. So what I will do, I will take 2 points. I will take 2 points. And from here, a line, and I will be showing a U. From this line, I will be showing a U. And from this line, I'm going to show a big U. Is this distance I have now? A big U. Okay, don't forget to show fingers. 1, 2, 3. Fingers. 4 lines. And Om. If you don't know how to write Om, you can just make swastik. And if you don't know how to make swastik, you can just make a circle. With one hand, Lord Ganesha is showering blessings. With one. Yes. And yes, from here, as time is running short, we will have to go little quick. Yes, from here till here, mark 2 points first. Yeah, eyes are like this. I will give complete view. I should give complete view. I will give complete view of picture. Okay, it will help you completing the work. Yes, for our pass. Okay. Now, I will be taking 2 points, leaving equal distance here, and I will make a big U. Let a U come on trunk, because we'll erase it afterwards. The line which is coming in trunk, erase. Okay? Yes. I'm repeating eyes. For making eyes, you just make line. And on both the sides, I draw C. Again C. Then I erase this center line. Okay? And then I just draw a round shape almost. One more round. And then a small C to show eyelid. And big C for showing eyebrows. Leaf shape for making eye. This is the method of making eyes. Okay? Yeah. I will give complete view of picture now. Complete view. I will start with this. I want to show a very beautiful garland of beads. Okay? Big beads. I will be making a bigger one here with some pattern and design. And then see, making Lord Ganesha is not difficult. You just look at your files. I will just check before leaving. Finish. Jewelry is also Lord Ganesha is Riddhi Siddhi. Riddhi Siddhi, it means prosperity, wealth. They serve Lord Ganesha. So those who worship and have trust, faith in Lord Ganesha, they are very prosperous in life. And Sadbuddhi, Vedon ke Gyata. He is having knowledge of all Vedas. Okay? You can show just a line. Otherwise, leave it like this. Don't make anything else. Show one elevated part. And if you will show few people standing here, okay? If you will show few are standing here and worshipping, then it will look like Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Okay? Yes. And here I just want to show a small diya. If you have space, you make. If you don't have space, don't make. Okay? Diya. And don't forget to show flowers, showering of flowers all around. This I want to do with earbud. So I am not making this. Don't draw these flowers. We will be doing with earbud with watercolors. We will be showing flowers are just continuously flowers are falling on Lord Ganesha. Okay? So this is all about our today's work. And Lord Ganesha is ready. I just want to have a look. And please, as soon as you get the recording, you go through it once again so that you can understand its method. Very good. Okay? एक बार देखोगे ना उसे अच्छे से तो जो मेथड थोड़े कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगे हैं आपको वो क्लियर हो जाएंगे. बहुत अच्छा बनाया. वेरी गुड. प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू शो. जितना बन गया उतना दिखा दो. है ना? मुझे बस देखना है कि बेसिक फिगर कैसा बना है. Yes. And we will be showing flowers at back side, but we will be doing it with earbud. Okay? Wow, very good. You all can see work of each other. See how wonderful you all have done. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. And now you are prepared for being the part of competitions. Ananya has made one more Lord Ganesha. She is showing that also. And you all have done great work. You can see work of each other. Wonderful work. है ना? रिद्धि सिद्धि के दाता, विघ्नहर्ता. Do you know the meaning of vighnaharta? If you have any problem, whether it is social, whether it is financial, whether it is health related problem, you just pray Lord Ganesha and he will solve everything. Tell me, how many of you enjoyed today's class? Show thumbs up with smile if you enjoyed today's class. Yes. And you know what? The only words I have for you, I'm proud of you, my dear senior batch. 3 clapping for you. Come on. With me. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And here, take 100 stars from my side. Come on, write 100 stars. 1, 0, 0 stars. You all are amazing. These stars I have given to you. And Riyash, every time you keep showing so many drawings. Very good. I really praise your efforts. And you all have done great work. Great work. So see, nothing is very good. Very good. And see, when you will search online competitions, you will find many competitions related to Lord Ganesha. Numbers of competitions, many organizations are conducting every year on Ganesh Chaturthi. So now you are ready, okay? Take part. Don't worry whether you are winning, whether you are losing. It's not important. The most important thing is participation, okay? So keep participating without thinking I should be winner. Many students that get disheartened, I don't win in any competition. No, never think this way. If you're participating, you're a winner. Okay? Keep this thing in mind. And you all are amazing. I'm really proud of you, my senior batch. You are truly wonderful students. With this, I will be taking leave. May God bless you. Very good, Pavini. You have done very well. Don't ask. Devika, Myra, you all have done so nicely. You are messaging me. When I'm scrolling my screen and saying you all have done wonderfully, it means I've seen all work. If any work is not up to mark, I just call out the name and just guide. Okay? So you all are amazing. I will be taking your leave. Bye, students. May God bless you.